Welcome to the world of ChatGPT, the powerful language model developed by OpenAI. In this video, we're going to explore the capabilities of this revolutionary technology and see how it's changing the way we interact with machines. ChatGPT is trained on a vast amount of text data, allowing it to understand and respond to natural language input with unprecedented accuracy. Whether you're asking a question, making a request, or just having a conversation, ChatGPT is able to understand and respond in a way that feels like you're talking to a real person. One of the most impressive things about ChatGPT is its ability to generate text that is indistinguishable from something a human would write. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities, from automated content creation to natural language interfaces for automation. But ChatGPT isn't just limited to text. With advancements in machine learning and natural language processing, it's being used to create more advanced applications, such as image and video captioning, text-to-speech, and even language translation. As we can see, ChatGPT is not just a technology but a tool that can be used to improve many aspects of our lives. With the rise of automation and artificial intelligence, the possibilities are endless. The power of ChatGPT is only just beginning to be realized, and as the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more exciting developments in the future. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. This video was made with the assistance of ChatGPT. The power is real.
Please hit the subscribe and like button, it's really appreciated. Thank you.